The 10 habits that will change your life in 2023. A new year always brings a fresh start. New resolutions and a chance to change our lives for the better, if you are determined to make changes in your life in 2023. Here are 10 habits that will help you achieve your goals. Hello and welcome to Steel Mentality, where future billionaires come for inspiration. Here we talk about business, entrepreneurship, personal development, psychology, money, success, and more. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're interested and turn on the notification bell. We post a video every weekend to help you become the best version of yourself. Here are 10 habits that will help you achieve your goals. 1. Get organized. If you want to succeed in all areas of your life, you need to be organized. This means creating a calendar and sticking to it, setting goals, and planning your days, weeks, months ahead. By getting organized, you will get a lot more done. 2. Wake up early. The early bird catches the worm. Getting up early gives you a head start on the day and allows you to get more done. It also gives you time to enjoy some peace and quiet before the day begins. 3. Get some exercise. Exercise is not only good for your physical health, but also for your mental health. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins that have mood-enhancing effects. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. So be sure to incorporate some exercise into your daily routine. 4. Eat a healthy diet. What you eat has a huge impact on your overall health and well-being. A healthy diet will give you more energy, improve your skin and hair, and boost your mood. Give your body the nutrition it needs by eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 5. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is essential to good health. Make sure you drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your body and skin hydrated. 6. Spend time with your loved ones. Spending time with your loved ones is very important. Whether it's catching up with a friend over coffee or spending time with your family, spending quality time with your loved ones is essential to being happy and fulfilled. 7. Do something you love. Doing something you love is a great way to relax and de-stress, whether it's painting, playing a musical instrument, or taking nature walks. Make sure you find time for the things you love. 8. Be positive. A positive outlook on life can make all the difference. When you focus on what is good, you attract more good things into your life. Practice gratitude and try to see the best in every situation. 9. Help others. One of the most rewarding things you can do is to help others, whether you're volunteering your time or just lending a listening ear. Showing kindness to others will make you feel good too. 10. Live in the present. One of the best things you can do for your mental health is to live in the moment. Appreciate what's good in your life and let go of any negative thoughts or feelings. Practice mindfulness and appreciate the simple things in life. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you found it interesting. If you have any comments or feedback regarding this video, please leave a comment below. We love to hear from our subscribers as it helps us create new content.